What is going on? Today is, I think it's Monday. See this store? This is what I was saying. Fantastic hostel. It was $30 a day. I think it's kind of close to the city. I think it's like a 30-minute walk to the city. It's not bad. Heading to Miami, going to Union Station. The bus is 100. It leaves at 1:30, I think. It's about 11 right now. So taking the subway, see you guys at the Union Station. What is going on? Got into the station. So I got this train ticket. It's from DC to Miami. It's gonna be a 26-hour ride. It is not joking. I am not joking here. So it's a 26-hour ride. Getting some food for the trip. It's gonna be a pretty long trip. See how it goes in Miami. See you guys later.
You get stronger when you get older. Just don't show your shoulders when you get older. But things aren't easy, so just believe me now.
20 minutes.
20 minutes till Miami. I'm on the train. I rode for 26 hours. First time on the train for 26 hours. You can see my bags of my eyes. They are pretty serious. But nearly in Miami.
I got myself together, and no, you ain't no friend of mine. There'll be no more tears for you now. You see, I'm moving on fast. Finally got the past to go, leave this pain behind. You got deep, babe, but you don't see, and you don't care, and you don't bleed. You blow my mind like dynamite. You go boom, boom, boom.
Train stopping. Made it. This was the train station that I just got off. Getting a cab right now. It's Miami. Gonna see you guys later at the hostel. Gonna try to find where it is. So what is going on? This is Miami City right there. And I'm heading to the beach place right over here. There's like this purple bridge is kind of cool. I'm heading over to the hostel. What is that building? Like right here. Looks kind of cool. So I'm heading to the hostel right now. Man, it is like right now it's about 8 o'clock. I'm wearing just a t-shirt and I don't feel cold at all. I really like Miami. It's a cool place. Alright, see you guys.
Will guide the way. If you get to hear me now, all the fears will fade away. If you get to hear